hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you're notified of when we upload new video content, which is always going to be on a regular basis. But the first to view, first to like, first to comment, first to share, and all that good stuff there. Alright, so to actually, maintain a guy after you slept with him, or to get him to stay with you after you slept with him, or had sex with him, whatever the case is, just be a woman. Like, I don't know what else to say. It's like, I know probably from past experience and whatever, some guys have sex with you and then they ghost. Okay, well, you can't, think that every guy is going to be the same way. Even if that's happened to you like 3 or 4 times in a row. At the end of the day, it just means that you have to do something. Yeah, and that is just develop yourself as a pure feminine woman, right? Once you develop yourself as a pure feminine woman and you treat him as if you're already together or whatever, like be of service to him, basically. That's what I'm telling you to do. Be of service to him. Like, if he needs anything, any help, yeah, help him with whatever he needs help with in his life or career or whatever. Like, he would appreciate it. He would acknowledge it. You understand? And he will be like, this girl or this woman or whatever is different from the rest. And more time, like if he's a thorough guy, he's probably going to hold you in high regards and have you potentially as a wifey material. And he will let things lead into that direction. If he let things lead in direction, he will most likely lead that into direction. Because I'm going to be real with you right here and now, because I'm always real anyway. A lot of guys want to be in a relationship. A lot of guys want to be in a relationship. They may not say it, but they want to. But it's all about how you act as a woman. So yeah, they want to fuck you. And after they fuck you, but what's next? That's what you're thinking. Now, I'm not going to go off into a tangent because I'm going to keep it simple. You just need to develop yourself as a pure feminine woman. When you develop yourself as a pure feminine woman, right, and you will know how relationships actually work, you will know what to do to be able to keep that guy. You understand? So, click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Akib Youth and Trust. When you do that, you get access to online courses such as roles and relationships, and that's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself as a pure feminine woman, plus learn exactly how relationships work. So if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.